Substitute fabric softener with vinegar, and you'll be amazed by the results. You will no longer need to invest a significant amount of money in products, as they're simply mixing things like this, and you can make your own at home. Please begin by incorporating a capful of your preferred fabric softener. This is key because you want to love the scent in your home. Next, pour the mixture into a large bowl, because we still have one surprise ingredient to add. Have you ever walked into a house and thought, "Wow, what is that amazing smell?" Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. You can use any brand you like, and the scent or color doesn't matter at all. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Give it a quick mix to combine everything. Now set it aside for a moment, while we prepare the special ingredient. In a small pan, add 250 milliliters of water and turn on the heat. Toss in some cloves. You don't need to be exact, just add a generous amount like I'm doing here. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. Let it simmer until it boils and turns a nice amber color, just like you can see in the video. Once it's ready, please remove it from the heat, and let the mixture cool for about 5 minutes, until it's no longer hot. Yes, if you're going to try this at home. Now let's return to our bowl. Using a strainer, carefully pour the mixture through, so that we're left with only the fragrant water and no solid cloves. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Give everything a thorough mix to ensure all the ingredients are well blended. Now you can use any empty, clean bottle you have lying around your house, like this one. With the help of a large funnel, pour the mixture into the spray bottle. Just be sure not to overfill it. Once it's filled, screw the cap on, and we're ready for application. Do you have a similar hack at home? Share it in the comments. Start by using it on my kitchen countertop. This blend is super safe and can be used in various places around your home to clean, freshen, or even keep insects at bay. You can see how both my granite countertop and wooden table are shining clean. Seriously, this is one hack everyone will thank you for. And here's the best part. This solution is super affordable. No need to spend on pricey air fresheners when you already have the ingredients at home. Plus, it's easy to make. If you love this hack, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends who could use a fresher, bug-free home. I'm even using it at the entrance of my house to keep insects away while leaving that lovely scent in the air. You can also use it on your favorite rug in the bathroom or living room, and it works wonders there too. We appreciate your taking the time to view another one of our videos. Make sure to follow us for more tips in the next ones.